Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Today we want to take a look at the Mana, the Decentraland chart. The cryptos, especially the altcoins, have recovered quite nicely over the last few days. There's been some volatility, and after weeks and weeks and months of correction, there is maybe a light at the end of the tunnel. So we'll take a look at the chart. Let's go. So we are on our website dailymarketupdate.com, and to navigate to the Mana, the Decentraland chart, we click on the cryptocurrencies section. As you can see, we also cover other asset classes. So if you're interested in checking these out, just make sure that you register on our website. It is completely for free, and we do cover different asset classes, not just cryptos. So what we want to do now is we want to take a look at the larger time frame for Mana, the Decentraland. First of all, you can see that the overall assumption is unchanged. So, I mean, again, is this high probability that we're gonna see the price rally to $10.34? In my opinion, we need to see a setup on the smaller time frame. I mean, if you recall previous updates, we haven't shown you a trading area on the smaller time frame. So there is not yet that setup that really confirms that we've started that rally in a third wave. It's definitely something we need to keep an eye on. I mean, the market has another chance, but you can see this long sideways consolidation after the crash, after the last bull market. Yeah, it just means we need to see a bit more of a setup first, I think. Like in this third wave, you know, we should see 5 waves. So getting the first wave done and followed by the wave 2 pullback would be on the larger time frame would be a decent confirmation that really we've started that larger degree third wave, which should in the first instance, first of all, hold above this 19-cent level, break above $6, and then get us to $10.34 plus long term. Not tomorrow, not next month. Be nice, but yeah, most likely not. So let's take a look at the shorter time frame, and here you can see how this move to the upside could unfold. So what we want to see is that wave 1, you know, we want to see it. We want to see it go higher in a wave 1, form a 5-wave move. Now that could be a wave 1 of a larger degree third wave, but without having, you know, a break above these previous levels, specifically that 85-cent level, and without having 5 waves up, this is all too small. Well, we can say that currently, you know, the assumption is a low is in, and we've bottomed there in a larger degree wave 2. It's important we stay now above the 19-cent level. So I mean, if you want to trade it higher already, there is a very clear stop level. Like the 19-cent level would act as an invalidation point. So somewhere below that, you have to decide that you would potentially put a stop. Well, that depends on your risk profile, risk tolerance, trading style, and so on. But from a chart point of view, it is absolutely, you know, we can make a case for a low to be in, but can we fully confirm it? Don't think so. We would need 5 waves up, 3 waves down. If we get that higher low, there will probably be a trading area. We can't fully promise it. If the setup is clear, there will be a trading area. For now, I think it's about just simply to track the chart. For those who are a little bit more bold, who wanna trade it already, there's an invalidation point. And if we get 5 waves up, yeah, it should take us above 85 cents, right? And that would be meaningful enough to say that we potentially formed a substantial low. And then the pullback afterwards would be interesting, maybe as a setup, because first of all, we get the 5 waves up. Those 5 waves are typically a good confirmation that a low has formed. It indicates the trend is up, right? And then the subsequent pullback, which would be a wave 2, would be a corrective pullback. Ideally, we can expect a higher low to form, and then from there we can watch for reaction, and the third wave rally to the upside would follow on from there. Yeah, so that's how we track at the moment the Mana, the Decentraland chart. As I said, it's all a little bit too small at this point, but if you register on our website, and again, the link is in the description, then you will be updated about latest developments. I don't cover Mana too often on this channel, but if you want to stay up to date, just make sure you register. It's completely for free, and we update Decentraland Mana regularly. Yeah, that's the update about Mana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, yeah, just join us here on the website and let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies you want me to cover in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.